Are you a high school senior worried about how you're going to pay for college? Well, that's where scholarships come in. Hi, I'm Zena Kumok with scholarships.com, and today I'm going to explain all about how to get scholarships if you're a high school senior. There are two basic types of scholarships, merit-based and need-based. So merit awards include scholarships given on an academic, athletic, artistic merit, as well as community service involvement. Most scholarships have specific eligibility requirements. If you want a personalized scholarship experience, consider creating an account at scholarships.com. Our matching process only takes a few minutes, and it's going to help you find scholarships that you qualify for. High school seniors can also search through our scholarship directory, where all the scholarships are divided by category. The directory is designed to help parents and students find scholarships that they may qualify for based on academic major, school year, geographic location, and other factors. Another great place to find scholarships is through the school you're applying to. When you fill out a basic college application, you're going to be automatically entered into many internal awards. Some schools may also require additional documents for you to submit to be eligible for any awards. You should contact the financial aid department and ask them how you can maximize your scholarship potential. Make sure to ask your high school counselor, community organizations and foundations, your parents' employer, professional organizations, and places of worship to find more opportunities for local scholarships. If you're attending college next year, then you need to fill out the free application for federal student aid, otherwise known as the FAFSA. You should fill out the FAFSA during your senior year of high school in order to qualify for financial aid when you're a freshman in college. The FAFSA is the official form that you need to fill out to qualify for any kind of federal student aid, including federal student loans, grants, even scholarships at a college. The sooner that you complete the FAFSA, the better. Most students don't know that filling out the FAFSA gives you access to all kinds of scholarships you would otherwise not be eligible for. And most schools require that you submit the FAFSA in order to qualify for their own internal scholarships and grants. Even if you don't think you're going to qualify for need-based aid, you should still submit the FAFSA. Also, make sure to monitor two specific deadlines: your school's financial aid deadline and your state's financial aid deadline. You should add whichever deadline is soonest to your calendar and make sure you submit the FAFSA before that deadline. Missing those deadlines could cause you to lose out on thousands or even tens of thousands of potential scholarships that you would otherwise be eligible for. It's best to start looking for scholarships as soon as possible, even before your senior year. That's because scholarship deadlines are different than college application deadlines and may vary widely. For example, some scholarship applications may be due the summer before your senior year, before you even filled out one college application. Well, those are all the tips I have for you today. Hit like and subscribe to get more information about how to qualify for scholarships.